Good morning, dear students. In continuation with the verbs that we were following with the last 2 3 days, today we are coming into the last stretch of it. That's verbs actually. I think it is the fourth one now. Okay, we have the fourth one. Today we are going to look at some troublesome verbs. Some troublesome verbs. Some words that have some similarity in spelling and meaning, there is a difference, similarity in pronunciation and there is difference in the meaning, or one word's past tense is another present form or root form, it has got another past tense, like that. Some confusing, some disturbing words. It is very interesting as well as a bit confusing too. If you pay a little bit of attention, I think you will be able to understand them well without much difficulties. Okay, let's look at this word bear. Past tense, one word is bore, the past tense, and past participle B3 form is born, but it is related to birth. I was born in Kerala. Okay, I was born in Kerala. So the present form of it or the root form is BER, bear, and past tense is bore, and past participle born related to birth. Now you have to bear with, carry, adjust with. Bear, same spelling, bore, same spelling, but born, B-O-R-N-E. Here it is B-O-R-N, here it is B-O-R-N-E. Born, that is related to carrying something. Okay, so that is where we use this particular word. Okay, present form is the same, past form is the same, but past participle is different and meaning also is different. Okay, B-O-R-N, born is related to birth, B-O-R-N-E, born is related to carry. Another one is hung. Okay, hang, hung, hung. Hang, present form, hung, past tense, and hung, past participle. This is related to something being suspended. For example, you hang your clothes for drying in the sun after washing. Okay, that is where we use this hang, hung, hung. Understand this? Hang, present tense, that is root form V1, V2 hung, and V3 hung, related to hanging something for drying or something like that. Okay, or you can see in the exhibition grounds and all these color papers and all, they hang on a string. Okay, and hung past tense and past participle, and that is what it is. Now again the same word H-A-N-G, hang, past tense is hanged, past participle or V3 form is also hanged, that is related to death. As a part of punishment, capital punishment, okay, for something that wrong that a person has done. The court ordered that fellow to be hanged. Present tense is the same, H-A-N-G, hang. Past tense, the first one was H-U-N-G, here it is H-A-N-G-E-D, hanged. Past participle V3 form is also hanged, and it is related to death. Is that clear? Next, lie. L-I-E. Past tense, one word, L-A-Y, lay. Past participle V3 form, lay. Rest or remain at a place. Okay. Lie. He lied on the grass. Lies. He lies on the grass. Past tense, lay. When he was tired, he lay on the bed to take rest and all that. Laying, L-A-I-N is what is the past participle or V3 form. L-I-E, lie, present, L-A-Y, lay, past tense, L-A-I-N, laying, past participle, related to rest or remain quiet, calm. Same word, L-I-E, present, L-I-E-D, lied, past tense, and L-I-E-D, past participle V3 form, that is speaking false. Okay. Okay, we children, or when we are children, we tell a lot of lies to our parents and our teachers and all that, being afraid of something. So that is what is this lie. We tell a lie. Spelling present or V1 form, L-I-E, L-I-E-D, V2 form, L-I-E-D, V3 form, and related to false speaking. Is that clear? Then you have L-A-Y. The past tense of L-I-E, where it is related to rest or remain quiet. The past tense of that is another root to form V1 form of the verb, L-A-Y, and L-A-I-D is the past tense. L-A-I-D is the past tense, and L-A-I-D is the past participle also, and it is about keeping down something quietly. He laid the mat for people to sit, for people to lie down. Laying the table, or laid the table for dinner or lunch, whatever it is. Fine. Chicken lay egg, quietly keep down. So that is where we use this word L-A-Y, V1 form, L-A-I-D, V2 form, L-A-I-D, V3 form. The meaning is related to keep down. Alright? Now still somehow, since there is no place here and it doesn't catch the screen, I have written a few more words. Fell and felled. Fall, fell. Fall. Past tense is fell. Okay? You will fall down. He fell down. Past tense of fall. But this fell itself is a V1 form of the verb. Past tense is fell. Making something forcefully to fall, like cutting a tree. The workers felled many trees. Forcefully cutting. So that is the present form is, or V1 form is fell, and V2 form is felled, and V3 form is also felled. Okay? Fall, fell, fallen. That's another form. And felled is another form. Fall is accidentally reach onto the ground, and fell is forcefully making something to fall. Fine. Next, founded. Find. Okay, I cannot find my books. I cannot find my pen. Find present tense. Past tense is found, and past participle is also found. Okay, V1, V2, V3 is also found. Fine. Now, this found is a V1 form for founded. Okay, Mr. Rosario founded the school, or he found, present tense if you say he found the school, and founded, the founder. And past participle is founded again. Fine. So, find, found is one word. Found, founded is another verb. The find is about seeing. Okay. And found is about beginning or starting something. Next, rise and raise. Okay. Rise and raise. See what is given here. I will be sending you this material. Okay. Rise, rose, risen. That is coming up. Fine. See, everybody is expected to rise when the chief guest enters the room. Here it is standing up. Okay. That is rise, rose, risen. The V1, V2, V3 form of the verbs. Whereas R-A-I-S-E, raise, raised, that is increasing or bringing up. Okay, can you raise your hands? Can you lift it up? They have raised the height of the compound wall, increasing, making it more. Okay, so that is what is raise. And raised. Here it is rise, rose, risen. Here it is raised. They have raised the price of petrol. Fine. That's how this word is formed. And the next one is seesaw. Seesaw. Fine. Seen is a normal word which we know. I see that. I have seen that. The past tense is necessarily so. Now the so itself is another V1 form of the verb sow, sowed, sowed. Like spreading the seeds for cultivation. Okay. What you sow, you shall reap. Okay. That's a proverb in English. So spreading the seeds, like paddy, wheat and all that, when the farmers it's time for cultivation, they make the land ready and they spread like that. That is sow. Okay, so this is sowed. This one is seen. That's all for today. Okay, the rest we'll have, and with that this chapter is over. The rest we'll have when we'll begin with the next class, next chapter. Thank you.